Hello everyone, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens. I'm going to be doing a quick taste test on green asparagus versus purple asparagus. Looks really good in the light though, if you want to see it. This is marjoram drying right here for us. This is Purple Passion and UC 157F1. This is the one that produces all the way up to October, January to Halloween. Purple Passion is, they say, 20% sweeter and not stringy at all, not tough, and full of juice. Well, there are droplets of water everywhere from the Purple Passion, as you can see. Not as much on the UC 157. So let's do a taste test. I do know how UC 157 tastes like, but not so much Purple Passion from my garden. I normally have bought it and I've tasted it, and it is sweeter, but you know, until you grow it yourself. I just pulled these out of the garden, I don't know, 2 minutes ago. So let's have a taste test. Let me taste this, the green. It's sweet, but it has some bitterness to it. The outer skin's a little tough, but the inside's not stringy and it's almost creamy. The inside flesh and juicy. Now time for the Purple Passion. It's almost sweetish compared to UC 157. It's sweeter, much sweeter. Way juicier too. There's no resistance either. When I just chewed into this, there was no resistance at all. And it goes rolling away. There's no resistance. No stringiness. The outer wall of the asparagus wasn't tough. That's really delicious. Now, they say that the Purple Passion is a fresh eating variety, and the green is a to cook variety. I eat them fresh both. Purple Passion doesn't take the heat as well as the 157. But if I have to do it all over again, I would be planting Purple Passion a lot more. Now I don't have any space. The ease of growth is definitely the 157, but the taste is definitely the Purple Passion. All right, everyone. Happy gardening. Bye.
Okay, like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching, everyone.